Did you know 70% of customers prefer self-service options? Elevate their experience with Customer Portal for Dynamics 365 Business Central. The Customer Portal is here to transform your business. In Week 1, we kick off with a thorough needs assessment, diving deep into your processes and interactions. By Week 2 and 3, we're designing and configuring a customized portal just for you, seamlessly integrating it with Dynamics 365 Business Central. Week 4 is all about testing and training. We ensure your team is fully equipped and ready to manage the new system like pros. And finally, in Week 5, we launch. Smooth transitions, immediate support, and optimal performance monitoring, real-time data, self-service options, secure access, and so much more. Elevate your customer experience today with Customer Portal for Dynamics 365 Business Central. Contact us for a personalized demo and take the first step towards transforming your business.